Okay, so here is the hair after it has been washed and conditioned. This is actually the longer hair. As you can see, I left it in the bundle. But I'm trying to get it both. Here is the other hair that I took out of the bundle. So you can see the curl pattern is really pretty. This one has got more of a wavy texture that you can see. Whereas, but I do see some ringlets starting. Whereas this one has a bit more curl to it, which is really nice. So I'm excited. Okay, now let's look in my sink. As you can see in my sink, this is about all that's left. This is the shedding that came from 2 bundles of hair. This is something that I use, a natural product from Lush called Grass. If you could see that. And so I use that to wash with, as well as some Pantene Relaxed and Natural. That was a shampoo. And then I used this as the conditioner. And that's it. So there is my premium virgin Indian curly hair from Wagmans, drying and getting ready for install tomorrow. So it's going to be dyed, so it's not so dark. So hopefully, I'm hoping that the color will take. But that's up to my stylist, because that's a little beyond me. So we'll see. Thanks for my sharing part 2 of my journey. Bye-bye.